Oh no, what's gonna happen to Florida? Whoopsie daisy. Hello guys, I am the Blue Fez and welcome to another video. Now, it's been a long time since I made a video because like a lot of stuff been happening, like the hurricane and school and everything, like literally everything's going on right now. It's been like a week or so. Yeah, probably a week. So like I felt like what's the perfect thing to do on a day of the hurricane? Make a video. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Make Earth. I hope you guys can like my Earth I'm making. Oh crap, I accidentally put that. I'm looking for it. There it is. I didn't ask for that. Sand. Let's make a volcano. What's wall? That's wall. A getting rid of the ads on the top right because they're just like really terrible. Oh whoopsie daisy! I spilled some of my stuff. Oh whoopsie daisy! Oh no! No! What I do? No! No! See, this is what happens when you let me own the planet Earth. See, this is what happens. Don't let me, the Blue Fez, own the Earth. People say nothing can destroy water except bombs. Oh, I was right. Let's put more. Yes. It's going perfectly fine. Not sure if this is how water physics works. Just get rid of it. Get rid of it. Go in half. Oh, wait, we made Pac-Man. I remember, like, every person in human history would just look at Pete's Saw, and they would, like, oh, hey, look, it's Pac-Man. Okay, Pac-Man is about to be nowhere. I'm going to come in half. And now that sounded really violent. Alright, come on, guys. You're so good. You're so close. You're so... Yes! We did it! We did it. Yeah, we did it. Let's sing the happy song and say we did it. Just clouds in this game? Oh, they're floating. Oh. That makes sense. What if... meteor. Yep, there you go. There you go. Oh, well, good. There goes my frame rate. Nothing to destroy planet sand. Oh, it is. There's only fire that does that. Here, let me try, lava. Oh, that went fast. What happens if I try to stop it? Oh, well, I guess I can't stop it. It's gonna be like that forever. It's gonna be all my fault that this planet is gone. Come on. Destroy it. Get some getting to it. By putting meteors. Oh, God. Oh, there goes that planet. Boy, I wonder what's gonna happen to this planet if I put one piece of lava. Let's just make it one little small piece. It's exactly one. And we need more. We need more. The lava doesn't work. What's that? How about we try fire? Nothing that makes the bomb explode. But I can tell what does. Yep, there it goes. Meteors. I'm more meteors than... I'm not gonna make a bad joke. I would like to thank you guys for watching. You could like, dislike, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Wait, before I even do that. With Florida luck. And here comes the end of the video.